Bro, keep making the beats, man.
OG Bo
What's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beast TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beast. And man, oh man, what a day, what a day. I just wanted to come drop this quick little video for you. You know, it's a little bit later in the afternoon today, but so what? Hopefully you check this video out. Hopefully it's all good for you. I wanted to talk about what happened today because it was such a big event. I had talked about it on a few previous videos. Hopefully you got the message, if not from me, from somewhere else. Hopefully you followed my Twitter like I've been suggesting for a while now. And you were able to catch the Air Jordan Cool Gray shock drop today. The Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray shock drop. So it finally happened today after basically all last week of anticipation and word that it was about to happen, and it finally happened today. So as we know, the Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray is set to release on December 11th, right? It hadn't even loaded up on the sneakers app up until today, and it was going to release for a retail of $225. Every year in the month of December, we always anticipate Nike and Jordan brand releasing the iconic Air Jordan 11 silhouette. Last year, it was the 25th anniversary with the Jubilees. The year before that, it was the Breads. The year before that, it was the Concords. You know, we can go back and back. But this year, the Cool Gray 11s, I personally didn't get the first Cool Gray 11s that dropped. Like, I think this is only the second release, if I'm not mistaken. So it's been a while, maybe 20 years or so since they dropped. However, you know, it is what it is. So I'm a big fan of the Air Jordan 11, right? I'm on record saying that it's my favorite Air Jordan silhouette. When the Air Jordan 11s released back in 95, 96, it was just my ultimate favorite shoe. I always wanted to have the shoe. I eventually got the shoe over time. I don't think I got it when they first came out. In fact, I know they didn't because I was playing basketball at the time. So anyway, today, I felt the vibes. You know, it was a lot of chatter last night on Twitter about it. And then this morning, I started to see a couple notifications basically saying that it was some merch that had dropped. Some Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray merch, or just some merch for the Air Jordan 11s. And that was kind of a sign. And then somebody had posted that they had loaded up the Air Jordan Cool Gray 11s on some back end site or something like that. So it was all the indicators there. And I was looking out, and then at 11 o'clock this morning, I saw that notification with the link. So how I actually did it is I actually went through Twitter and used the link, which took me to the Nike website. I was already logged onto the Nike website, so I didn't have to log on, which I think is a good thing. And I was able to try to purchase the shoe. So initially, I was pending. I don't know what was going on. I think I actually went back on to the Nike website on my Safari browser on my phone and was able to actually get it through there. So either way, I was able to get the shoe. You know, glad I did. A lot of people were able to get shoes. A lot of people took L's too, but you know, you will have another chance. The good thing about it is with so many shoes being released now, that all these jacked up resale prices that was going for like $400 a pair, which was ridiculous to me, those prices are gonna have to come down because a lot more people are gonna have the shoe. So hopefully you didn't pay resale for the shoe, and if you did, hopefully you didn't pay too much. Hey, unless you just really wanted to have the shoe early, right? I still got the shoe early. Already got my emails from Nike that is getting prepared for ship. And we're going to do it like that. Now, I'm going to be honest with you all. I have had a few issues with shoes in the last 3 months, 4 months. If you've been watching my videos, you know, for one, the off-white dunks never made it to my residence. However, they did get shipped from the Nike manufacturer. I had another pair of shoes that never made it to my residence just last month. So we'll see what happens. I'm not going to, you know, put any bad juju out there. I'm gonna get the shoe. It was no next day air on the Nike app for these shoes, so everybody is gonna get them around the same time. Just depends on where you live. and how fast the mill is gonna run for you. But yeah, I just wanted to put this video out and talk to my subscribers and see if y'all was actually able to hit on the shock drop today. And if so, how did you find out about the shock drop? Please let me know. Leave a comment down below. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what happened today. Were you even, you know, aware that it went down today? Oh, and right here, I just wanted to pull out, you know, you know, honor of the shock drop today. I just wanted to pull out some of my other Jordan 11s right here. You got these bad boys. These are the what? The Win Like 92s. I want to say 92s. I always get those confused. But these are the Win Like 92s. Dope shoe. Check those out. All right. And then I got the Concords right here. Right? 45 Concords. Yep. And then I got the Jubilees right here. So check those out. Yeah. Now I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't wear a lot of my shoes. I want to wear more of my shoes, but I always wear my Jordan 11s favorite shoe, so I always wear them. So I have worn all of these 3 shoes. I wear the Concords the most, and that's probably because I got another pair on ice. And these right here, I haven't worn in quite a while. And then I just wore the Jubilees a couple weeks ago. So yeah, man, but hope everybody was able to hit today if you were able to catch the shock drop. If not, you know, keep an eye out. You never know. Sometime Nike will give exclusive access. They'll do the sneakers pass. If not, on December 11th, all right, you're going to have Hibbets. You're going to have Foot Locker, Champs, Foot Action. You're going to have JD Sports, Finish Line. And you're going to have sneakers. So be patient. You will be able to get these shoes if you want them bad enough. Make sure you follow my Twitter, my Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube page. I'm OG Bo Beats. I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm out. Peace.